Hola, let's get in my Spanish kitchen and have some fun making this super quick, super easy, everyday tart. We'll need a few ingredients to put together this incredibly tasty tapa, so reach into your fridge and pantry and pull out whatever you want to use. While you preheat the oven to 425 degrees, mince up some herbs, start grating some cheese, and get your veggies ready, however you want to do them. I'm preparing some asparagus, so I want to take off that woody outside, and then I want to slice them in all the exact same size so that when I'm ready to lay them into a tart, they'll all match perfectly. Next, we want to roll out some store-bought puff pastry, making it really easy. Smooth it out just a little bit, get a nice sharp knife, and start slicing off about 1 inch off each edge, because we're going to layer that on top of it so we have a nice high little crust on the outside of our tart. Gently transfer it to a cookie sheet. Get a brush with a little bit of water and start lining the edges with those extra pieces of dough so that we can stack them up and get a really nice edge. And the water will help everything to stick together as it bakes. Don't forget to trim the little edges for a chef treat for later. Now it's time to start layering on serrano ham, Iberico ham, or thinly slice some mushrooms or tomatoes. Whatever you have in the fridge, it'll work just fine. And next, start layering that asparagus head to tail and filling the entire tart so it's all covered edge to edge. Add a healthy drizzle of olive oil over the entire area of the asparagus before you get ready to sprinkle on all that cheese. I'm using semi-cured Manchego today to make it really Spanish, but you can just as easily use Parmesan if you're going for an Italian vibe. Now sprinkle just a little bit of that minced fresh rosemary all over the top and add a bit more olive oil all along the edges so that we end up with a super crispy golden crust. Top it off with a smidge of salt to have it ready for the oven. It's time to pull that puppy out of the oven. Let it cool for just a minute and put it onto a platter on the table so you can slice it up and enjoy it with all your friends, 'cause it's tapas time.